Right, question 77 for Jen. How many chickens would it take to kill an elephant?
47.
Why 47?
Because 46 isn't enough, and 48 there'd be one trying to be in charge. 47 is just a good number.
Perfect.
One, it just needs to choke on it, and that wasn't
exactly.
a sexual reference. I actually meant like it would just have to get lodged in its windpipe, and it would kill it.
Would it not kill the chicken as well?
Yeah, so.
Would a chicken fit in an elephant's
You didn't
path?
say this. You did not stipulate that the chicken
No,
had
you
to
did not.
survive. You did not.
The chicken is a suicide choker. He's a suicide choker.
I am determined to find out where the hell you got 47 from. It's just such a specific number.
Oh, you so should have said. You missed an opportunity though, Math Pig. You should have said 42.
No, 47. It's definitely 47.
You're sticking with
If you
it.
said 42, we would have known what the ultimate question was.
It's how'd you nearly kill an elephant?
42. How many chickens does it take to nearly kill an elephant? 42.
47 is the new 42.
Okay, so
Oh yeah, Sal, you haven't answered. How many chickens?
yeah, hold on. I'm actually doing some math.
He's actually doing the calculations. Give him a minute.
Is this a volume thing? You're trying to drown it?
Don't forget to carry the 3. Always remember to carry the 3.
So the biggest male elephant is about 13 feet. The biggest Braham chicken is about 3 feet. So then
3
I'm
feet?
gonna go- yeah.
That's fucking huge.
Yeah,
What the
yeah,
fuck
the
is
biggest
it?
chickens are fucking enormous and terrifying.
Yeah. So the biggest, what is it? Yeah, the biggest Brahma chicken is 30 inches tall. So
Should you not be looking up mass?
I was, but I'd much rather go with height. I can pretty much gauge the mass because like the biggest elephant weighs about 11,000 kilotons.
But if you put 12 chickens on top of each other to make them taller than an elephant, they're
I'm not
just
trying to
gonna
make
look
them
taller.
taller. I'm not trying to make them taller. I'm trying to see
You
how many
just said
things it
the
would take to
biggest
take a
elephant
speed.
weighs 11,000 kilotons.
That's a real.
Kilograms.
That's a
I said tons. Did I say tons?
Yes,
Oh,
you did,
killer.
dude.
Sorry. Well, I'm actually thinking about how many chickens it would take to peck its feet off. So
To peck
once you
its
get it
feet off.
Huh? Yeah. Once you get it off its feet, it should be easy for.
But again, you could go down the route of one again then.
Far too much thought into
I'm
this.
gonna go with 12. I'm
12.
gonna go with 12 fucking Brahma chickens. That's what I'm gonna go with. 12 chickens.
Actually, I've got another reason why it's 1, and that's my big air cannon.
One chicken in a cannon.
That's great.
Oh, there you go. One chicken with a zoonotic virus. But is it
Yeah,
still
that would work.
is it still called zoonotic transmission if it's from one animal to another? It's not human.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
No.
technically. Because I mean, it can still.
I was going to say you just need so you could basically get one chicken to fuck the elephant and give it an STD.
You always have to go there, Dave, don't you? You always have to.
Well, how else is it going to pass the disease on?
Okay, how the hell does the
nice, you
chicken
know?
fuck the elephant? They don't have
Very
compatible genitalia.
Very
Yeah,
true.
but the elephant is big enough that the chicken can literally fuck the elephant.
Rubber.
Wait. That's what I was saying. Does a chicken fit in an elephant's ass?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Wow, I mean that would
Is
probably
there a
kill the
reason
elephant.
you asked that question, or?
I mean,
Earlier
if,
on,
you
you
shut,
guys
if the chicken climbs into the elephant's ass and gets trapped there, that will eventually kill the elephant.
You see, now I just have an image that of the chicken with its wings out and its feet out, trying to cling on to not get pooped out.
Right.
Yeah, just feathers coming out of an elephant's ass. That's all I can picture right now. Feathers up an elephant's ass. It's...
Perfect.
And with that image,
Let's go to a sane question, shall we?
Mum, why is that elephant shitting feathers?
It's evolving into a dinosaur.
Mummy, why is that elephant shitting feathers?
Now, did the elephant sit on the chicken, or did the chicken fly into it?
Well, wild chickens can fly, can't they? So
How fast forwards? What if it didn't see the elephant?
Right. Right, because it only has side.
Oh.
oh my god, nerdy,
I know.
you legend.
I just read that.
Would you rather watch a chicken felching an
I've
elephant
seen
or an elephant
what an
felching a
elephant
chicken?
does with its tongue. I think elephants would be well up for it.
They've also
Ooh.
got that trunk. I mean,
It'll pick
I
it
meant
out.
trunk. I meant trunk, not tongue.
Biology not your subject, Dave.
No, apparently not.
have you seen the video footage of one elephant de-impacting the other elephant's
Yeah.
arsehole that's trying?
That's what was in my mind at the time.
I really
I think
wish I had seen that video.
I think there's video of a bloke having that job.
Yeah.
Isn't there a video footage of a guy being sat on by an elephant?
No, removing the matter, the fecal matter out of it. I think it was an elephant. Could have been a horse. I wasn't paying much attention.